Hello everybody, this is me Noor Zahir and you all are watching Go Hash Bengaluru. We are 80 kilometers away from the city and we are at the manufacturing unit of BT Corp's Army Nano Spray and Nano Sanitizer. Today we have Naushad Ali with us, who is the managing director of BT Corp. So sir, tell us, how is your product, your sanitizer, different from the available sanitizers in the market?
Thank you very much. Welcome to our unit here. So this is our integrated facilities where we do manufacture the graphene-based, very nanotechnology-based army sanitizer and nano spray. So this is very much different from. We have kept a policy of keeping 4E concept, where we commit to deliver the right product in terms of, because this is water-based products. This is totally based on the organic products, and it has been effective for more than 100 days, so it has got the retentive applications. It is effective for the long durations.
Right, so if your sanitizer used for a day in the morning, suppose I use it at 9 o'clock, how long does the efficacy and the efficiency last?
Yeah, of course, this is the nano sanitizer, which is one of the very premium grades of the product itself, because it has been empowered by zinc nanoparticles, so it has the long retentive workable efficiency, so it can work up to 6 to 8 hours.
All right, 6 to 8 hours.
Yep.
With washing my hands or without washing my hands?
Multiple times of the washing hands will be lowering down its efficacy, but yes, about at least 4 times of washing hands, it
Right.
can give you the protection up to 6 to 8 hours.
Right. Speaking of your masks, we heard about them being graphene layered masks, which are widely used in countries like Canada, Europe, and New Zealand. And to have introduced graphene mask in India, how do you feel about it, and how do you think of the business in the future?
Thank you very much. This is really one of the very much innovative idea came up in the last pandemic, like that people can use the advantages of its antimicrobial properties of the graphene itself. Being inspired by the international research community, lots of research happened, and then we found, yes, graphene is one of the potential candidate in order to fight the COVID.
Right.
So yes, the graphene is quoted successfully in the country. We are one of the leading manufacturer of the graphene,
Right.
and this is one of the very much important application where we take the advantages of being antimicrobial properties of the graphene, and we have successfully implemented this graphene in order to make this mask, and this is giving all those features what the as per the WHO recommendations and the guidelines.
Right.
So this is breathable, this is long effective, this is retentive for the longer duration, even up to 100 washes, the antimicrobial property don't get loose.
Okay.
So this is how.
So Naushad, I attended your seminar, and having a look at all your products, they are so self-claiming. They have so much to claim that your spray, for example, lasts 100 days. Your masks don't lose properties up to 100 days. Do you have proper certifications, and have you done necessary tests to claim all of these?
Yeah, of course, this is one of the very much important. Yeah, thank you very much. Yes, of course. So before launching any of the product, right from the BT Corp production house, we do lots of rigorous research. Very first
Right.
thing. So we do have the research papers, but research paper is not just quite enough in order to produce some products. So really, we have the validated, authenticated test report conducted in different recognized third party laboratories.
Right.
So we do claim, whatever we do claim, we produce our authenticated certificates. Yes, we do have all kind of the certificates required to launch this product and to produce this product, and we are very much strict with all the regulatories and all the certificates and all the validations we do have.
Right. Last question for you, sir. So since we've already read a lot of AIMS reports and health expert reports that third wave of the COVID is inevitable and it's going to hit anytime in the next month or the last of this month. Do you have a message for the public that's watching you, as well as any particular advice that you'd like to give them?
That was the basic agenda or the basic mission of this company to send this product to the right people in the mass level. So we highly recommend Army Nano Spray, Army Nano Sanitizer, and Army Cotton Mask in order to fight the pandemic COVID, and this will be very very much useful in order to fight all other variants of the COVID what is upcoming. So be careful, stay yourself very much safe, and we recommend Army Nano Sanitizer and Army Nano Mask to keep always with you handy and protect yourself and your surrounding by using Army Nano Spray. So yes, very much recommended for this upcoming up.
So Naushad, how do you see BT Corp? Why BT Corp is special and unique?
BT Corp is one of the iconic Indian nanotechnology company. This is one of the oldest company here,
Right.
and the unique feature is we do have the real hand expertise on the graphene handling. So if you say yes, we have the extended background. We did lots of research before coming
Right.
into the bulk production of the graphene. So yes, that is why our expertise is our unique feature, and then experiences with the users.
Right. India for the longest time has been importing graphene, but your company, on the other hand, is exporting graphene. So, how do you see the entry of, other competitors in the market of graphene?
Yes, thank you very much. This is really one of the impressive questions. I mean, proudly we can say this is the graphene, which is very first time we are the first exporter from the country. Proudly we can say through the Make in India campaign we are making this product and for the world customers, and we are very much unique into that. In fact, I don't see any competitors around because we are writing 10th chapter of our story. Others are just trying to enter. So we are not just India is just not uh, now we are trying to export to the entire world now. So we are
Right.
exporters.
So we've heard so much about graphene, how it's used in technology, in defense, in medical, and all of that. Who do you think should be using graphene ideally, and what makes it very unique?
I think lots of havoc, digital havoc is there behind the graphene. In the truly sense, we don't find a really workable products immediately in the market, and lots of research is pending yet. But still, I would recommend whatever the possibilities are there is that commodity products line. We would like to recommend this has to go each and every manufacturing industries, mostly uh, to the biomedical, paint and coatings, battery industries. Yes, we are trying to focus on that, and really we have some workable products like Army Nano Spray and sanitizer and conductive ink, plastic paint and coating. Lots of things can happen, but yes, lots of things on the possibilities, few things are on the realistic side.
So that was me, Noor Zahira, with Naushad Ali, the managing director of BT Corp, reporting live from Chintamani. Stay tuned for more such updates. Stay home, wear your mask, and do not venture out unnecessarily.
Why every time we say economical? Because we don't use harmful or toxic chemicals in order to present our products. So making our products very much safe and non-flammable, because sometimes we do some mistakes like that there are flammable ingredients into that, and there are some tragedy happen and some. So these are some presentation about our antiviral products. We do supply this. This is the presentation as per the guideline by World Health Organization, and this follows as per the strict formularies given by the Indian Pharmacopoeia or United States Pharmacopoeia. There is a term called nano sanitizer. We have not given any alteration to its basic formulation, but we have given some value addition ingredients into this by addition of the nanoparticle. That's why we call it nanoparticle empowered